and today I am present to sell this box of pencil. It is a learning tool for all the students to become successful in real life. Every CSS topper, every professional engineer, every personal who is who is at ultimate level of his life uses the pen. We can't say that a person who is successful can't be a writer. He must be a writer. He uses the pencils, so that's very important. According to Malala Yousafzai, she said, one pencil, one child, and one teacher can change the whole world. So, dear friends, these are very important for all of you. Without pencils, a student is like a bird without wings. So you must have this. You must have purchased this. These are very qualitative, and these are only 100 rupees. It has 10 pencils. It means that you will cost 10 rupees for each pencil, and its quality is very good. Its lifespan is more than your battery of your mobile. So you can use it for a month. Yeah. So it's a box of pencils. You can use it for a month or for 2 months. And last, my bumper dumper offer is there. Buy one, get one free.
Oh my God.
So who is going to buy these 100 rupees? It is a 20 pencils. It means that it will cost only 5 rupees per pencil.
Wow.